Red light, what you say? Stop. Yellow light, what you say? Wet. Green light, what you say? Go. Very yummy. Very tasty. Very yummy. Not one good thing. Don't eat me.
दो मैगी कौन से प्लास्टिक
I am plastic. I am very harmful to the environment. I am polluted the airs, waters and soils. Use papers, bag, industrial of plastic bag. Avoid plastic. Say not to plastic. Thank you.
धन्यवाद परिचय के साथ
अरे सीधा करो
My life is very simple. I worked very hard to produce food for my country. Farmers are the backbone of our country. Thank you. I am a tree. I stand tall and strong. I have many branches and leaves. I give you oxygen to breathe. I help in reducing pollution. Thank you. I give life to all. Don't waste water. No water, no life. Please save me. Save life, save earth. Thank you. Junk food is not healthy. It tastes good but harms our body. Healthy food is better than junk food. Good food always keeps us happy. Thank you. Using brushing teeth. Always brush teeth twice a day. Thank you. गाड़ी वाला आया देखो कचरा निकल गाड़ी वाला आया देखो कचरा निकल हेलो फ्रेंड्स कैन यू गेस यस ये डस्टबिन यू कैन फाइंड हर एवरीवेयर शी लव कीपिंग clean please don't throw toys on the ground thank you. I am a blood. I saw you dying.